Smart Lock K18 installation tutorial. Before installation, please determine the direction of the lock body. Step 1. Install the lock body and tighten the 4 screws of it. Step 2. Install the cylinder. The key slot should face outwards. Then, use the long screw to fix it. Step 3. Test whether the mechanical key is unlocked normally. Step 4. Install the front panel. Adjust the front panel waterproof pad. Step 5. Fix the front panel. Connection to the upper stud. Step 6. Connection to the lower stud. Step 7. Pass the front panel connecting wire through the door holes. Adjust the position of the front panel. Step 8. Fix the bottom plate of the rear panel first. Pass the connecting wire through the square hole in the bottom plate. Step 9. Match and fix the upper and lower screws to the studs on the front panel. No need to tighten too much. Step 10. Adjust the position of the bottom plate to align the center hole with the hole of the lock body. No deviation. Step 11. After adjustment, tighten the upper and lower screws. Step 12. Insert the square rod into the square hole. Install the pin facing up or down. Step 13. Connect the wires. Put all wires into the door holes. Step 14. Align the square rod and the anti-lock knob iron sheet. Step 15. Fix the 5 screws of the rear panel. Step 16. Installation finished. Test the anti-lock knob and lock handle. Install the battery. Step 17. Test the unlock by fingerprint. If it prompts door open, but the bolts don't come out, it means the door is opened in the opposite direction. Enter 888 and hash can switch the open direction. Use fingerprint, password, card to test the unlock again. If all is normal, congratulations, you have done a great job.